What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, if you saw my YouTube short, then you saw me talk about I just found my next designer-inspired handbag. It's from a company called waroom.ru, and this is the little bag that I chose. So join me today for my unboxing. It is just cute and little. This is going to be a little crossbody, and I love that it came with all of the ribbons. It came with all of the paperwork, just so much paperwork, you guys. A cute little organza bag, all of the booklets in different languages. Yes, you guys, I'm going to show you just how cute this bag is. It's kind of different because it includes multiple pieces. This bag it's going to be like build a bag, you know, we're going to put the bag together. And this is their website, waroom.ru. They have all of the trending bags, so many pretty bags. This is the one right here that I'm going to be unboxing. Here are some close-up pics. They have so many different brands, you guys. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Gucci, Chanel, Dior, YSL, Prada, just so many different bags to choose from. And they have shoes and accessories. Okay, here we go. And don't forget to hit that little button and subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet. I do a lot of shopping videos here on my channel. I do some hauls, some unboxings, and of course, my computer always wants to run its fan when I'm doing my most important voiceovers. Pay no attention to the screaming fan. But here we go. Here is the super cute bag, and wow, it is really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. This just feels so quality and nice. You guys know that my family and I were going to be moving to Las Vegas, and I thought, you know what, I better select some smaller bags for those days when I'm out shopping and I want something, you know, less bulky. I mean, I usually carry very big bags, but I thought this was such a cute one for a small crossbody style of bag. Again, taking a closer look at it, it is really, really nice. It smells nice. It feels nice. Now, this style of Louis Vuitton bag is not supposed to be real leather. This is the canvas. This is a canvas. So it's not supposed to be copying a real leather. And then this is the little attachment. You guys will see later. I'll add it to the strap. It's kind of like a coin purse. It's super small, like big enough to put in a couple lip balms, maybe some cash if you want it convenient, or whatever other little things you may want to put in it. And it comes with this little chain. We'll be adding that later. It is super, super pretty with the chain. A little inside peek. Yes. I guess my fan decided it's just gonna run the whole time. Like, wow, okay. The zipper's nice and smooth. Again, it's really pretty. Super, super pretty. And the attachments are very, very well protected. It took me a lot of work to get the hardware protection off. And for me, I mean, those were easy to pop off, but for me, I really, I don't like undoing knots. And so really super tedious things like that frustrates me a little bit. But I mean, I'm glad it's there because that way the hardware is perfect when you unbox this, or if you're giving it as a gift, you know it's going to be perfect for the person receiving the gift. Wow, I love the finish of this. Again, everything is so pretty. All of the pulls are nice and shiny. They have the LV on them, even the hook here as well. Yes, and you guys, I'm going to be sharing some promo codes down in the description box, as well as this company's website, all their socials, their WhatsApp, and everything. If you guys want a real reputable luxury or designer inspired luxury brand, you guys are just gonna find all the information down below. The strap is pure quality. You guys know I love pink. The strap is pure quality. It is so thick and nice. And here's the hardware, and the hardware twists around. if I'm remembering right. It twists around so that you will have an easy time connecting the bag. As you guys will see, this bag is like you have to put together all the pieces. And I like that you can add the pieces. You can, you know, totally put it together how it's intended to go together, or if you don't want to add the little coin purse on the strap right there on that loop, you don't have to. If you don't want to add the gold chain, you don't have to. But I'm going to put it fully together for you guys. I'm going to just build a bag. You guys have heard of Build-A-Bear. This is like build a bag. And I just like that we kind of have options with some of these Louis Vuitton bags. If you guys have some other bags in your collection, you guys might have other chains or straps or accessories that you might like to use. And I think this bag is the perfect candidate because you can really just kind of customize it. Again, here's the inner look. It's the dark brown. The interior of the bag is a fabric. Okay, so here we go. So we have the bigger bag on the bottom, and now we're supposed to add this bag. And again, the little hooks, they twist around, so they're really easy to line up depending upon where you want the hooks to be positioned as you choose to wear your bag for the first time. I went ahead and closed all the zippers, and now we have the little coin purse. Now this again attaches to the main pink strap, but let's go ahead and add the little gold chain first. I think it's so pretty. It's really, really pretty. Now, if you just wanted to have these two bags and the gold chain and you wanted to wear it up really close under your arm, you wouldn't have to attach anything else at this point. If you wanted to have it kind of like clutch style, but with the little gold chain accent on your shoulder, you could totally do this option right here and you would be totally done. But if you want to wear it more crossbody and how it's intended, then you should add the pink strap as well as the little coin purse. Okay, you guys are just gonna love the cloth straps. These are so sturdy. I have an additional purse that has a strap very similar to this, and the craftsmanship is very nice. It's very well done. It's super sturdy, like super thick and adjustable. Okay, so here we go with the little coin purse option. I was just trying to figure out how to get it lined up, and there we go. Yes, here it is, you guys. So pretty. I love it. It's so different compared to what I usually carry, but I really, really love it. Yes, you guys, super, super pretty bag. Definitely check out all the links down below. They have so many options, so many options, whether you want a tote, a crossbody, whether you want luggage, one of the keep-alls, like the big luggage, like duffel bags. They have so many options. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Go ahead and give waroom.ru a try if you guys are looking for a designer-inspired bag. I think you guys will be super satisfied. All right, you guys, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.